can record. So yeah, I will be covering attaching Superelevation to your corridor. The actual creation of Superelevation file was covered on the geometry day, so this is just to show you how to then attach that to the corridor. So as you can see on my screen, I've got my dynamic section open, and right, this line represents where we are. So we're right in the middle of a curve, and our template is just showing normal crown through there. We've created the Superelevation, so you just have to reference in that file. So I'll turn it on so you can see what it looks like. Right, it's covering the alignment and corridor area. So under the corridors tab and under Superelevation, there is this button, Assign to Corridor. So it just lets you know what you need to do. So first you need to locate the Superelevation section. So grab that, and you can grab as many sections as are needed, but this one covers our whole section, so you can just reset to complete. Then it wants you to select the corridor that you're applying that Superelevation to. So I will select this corridor, and then it brings up this box, which is should kind of already make sense based on the naming conventions. It can figure out like your left Superelevation should go to your left EOP. So that's good, but it's always important to check. So the Superelevation lane refers back to the actual Superelevation section that's been created. So it's the left lane, and then your pivot point is right. That's going to be your stationary point, which is going to be the center line, and then your point that's actually Superelevated will, in this instance, be our left EOP. So we got our left and our right, and it covers our whole corridor. So we just hit OK, and now you can see in the dynamic section that's updated to show our Superelevation through there. And then I know this was covered in the templates, but just wanted to again show you that all this comes back to your Superelevation flags. So you can go into your active template at any point and see what points are right, have that Superelevation flag checked. So that's, if it's not checked, it's not going to associate it with Superelevation. So just make sure you've got those, and it's a fairly simple process to attach the Superelevation. So you can stop recording, Sahar.